Hey Kylie, this is Mrs. Skogland. Just wanted to give you a little feedback on your summer assignment. So we're mostly going to be talking about Chapter 5, your story question, since that was the one you starred, but I'll kind of reference a few other things throughout the video as well. All right, so the first thing that I look for in a body paragraph, which is this kind of structure, is a strong topic sentence, which ideally should kind of answer this question to start off your paragraph. I thought, Kylie, you did a nice job of that in this one. So, like, the question is, what's like a decision or career or something that was successful because of a story? And so you come out and state story quest. The only thing I would have improved is maybe connecting a little bit to the second part of this question, like why was StoryQuest successful and what were like facts not able to prove? But pretty good there. The next thing I looked at is actually at the end of your paragraph because I'm looking for a concluding sentence that sort of like ties back to the question and it's going to wrap everything up together so that we know it's the end of the paragraph. A lot of times, Kylie, not just in this paragraph, but in some others as well, I noticed you didn't really have a concluding sentence, and so that would be a good revision to go back and make, is just adding that distinct sentence that's really wrapping everything up. Okay. Next, I looked at evidence. I thought you did a good job selecting evidence. I like how you have an example of StoryQuest here and then another company here. That was good. One thing we could probably work on is embedding your evidence a little bit better. Like this first one is fine because you do have a little bit of your own writing to start it off, not a ton, but a little. But then this second quote is just what we call dropped in, where it's just kind of hanging out as a sentence on its own. And since this is your writing, we really want, the quote should never just be on its own. So that's something we could go back and fix. Next, I looked at commentary, and I think you're on the right track with commentary, Kylie. Like, you're not just summarizing these quotes, but there were definitely times where I did want a little bit more. So, like, when you're saying StoryQuest uses stories to explain more and it helps people understand more, like, what is it helping them understand, right? Or connect it back to the question, what is the story doing that the facts couldn't? So I think maybe just being a little more detailed, and feel free to use more than one sentence even, and that might help there. All right. I also looked at your R-directed activities, and I was going to comment on your play section. It was fun for me to read your experience in Clue here, and I hope you guys had a good time playing and kind of reflecting on that. So anyway, just wanted to give you some feedback.